Hello and welcome to my tech, travel and lifestyle channel. Hello friends, so let's discuss what are lavalier mics. Lavalier microphones date back from 1932 and the lavalier's literal meaning is a pendant in the neck and it's called lev, lapel in the coat and lavalier, and this gives you the freedom to speak like a hands-free. This works on 2.4 gigahertz frequency, which is our common wireless frequency, and it is a plug and play device, real-time sync. This is the unboxing of Lungsank Lavalier mic. We will be using this for our video making. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is the wireless microphone box that we have got, and I'm just going to show you different features: wireless connection, noise reduction, echo is something called reverb, and you can mute. And it has got a charging case. You guys can see there is a charging case, and it says made in China. And it has got direct seeding. You can have interviews, short videos, and can be used for Type C. But this comes for the iPhones as well. Yeah, let's go ahead and tear off the plastic. Right, guys, let's take this box away. There we go. That's the box. I'm gonna unbox now. Oh, I love this part of breaking these plastics. I hope everyone loves that. Right, so that comes in this kind of box. Just slide it down, I think. Yeah, there you go. Just slide it down. That's the main box. It says a charging cable there. Let's see where it is. Oh, this looks like the charging box. Right. This is the charging box, and this is how it comes. It's a black case. Oh, well, that looks posh. That looks really nice. So I am going to, yeah, that's called as a receiver. That's the Type C receiver. I'm just gonna put it back for now. Oh, it has got some magnet as well. Look, guys, that's that's automatically started now. It says 91. I'm thinking it's the percentage of this charging case, and it has got a USB. That's the charger, and I'm just going to open the box again, uh, and I'm going to show you just the basics, and the detailed review will be further ahead in the next video. So it has got its own USB Type C charging. This is the microphone. There is a clip behind this. It says wireless on the top, and there are few lights blinking, for example like a link. There is a mute, or there are all these options I think on the side which were there. Yeah, so these are the options on the mic, which says wireless connection, noise reduction, echo, and mute. On this side, there is a button on the top, looks like a power button. Let's try it. Doesn't do anything. Right, and this button on the bottom could be a power button, then it's a slider button. It didn't do anything. Okay, we will do that in the detailed review. I think I have figured that out. Yeah, I think you just the top button was the power button. I need to long press it. Let's long press it. I'm long pressing it now. The blue light should go off, and that would mean the connection is gone. The link is gone, because the top thing was the wireless connection is gone. That let's see the remaining stuff in the box, guys. Just nothing. Kind of a thermocol. There is wireless lavalier microphone user manual, which I will go through later. But yeah, it gives you the various options how to, various languages as well, I think, or Chinese. Oh yeah, here is the main. Yeah, so it shows you basically how to connect the receiver and how to start speaking. That was the user manual, guys. The final thing in the box is the USB cable for the charging case, or you can charge each individual component. That's the cable. Uh, it is a Type C to USB Type A. And the other thing that comes with the cable box is, uh, oh well, this I didn't know that it will come with the box. It looks like an earpiece where you can hear your own voice while you are recording with it. And there you go. Yeah, I was right. So that's Type C to your earpiece. So you can connect it, uh, I think, either to your microphone. Well, not either, but to your microphone. Yeah, there we go. So you can connect. So this is the main microphone with which we will speak, and you can connect the cable here. There we go. Did you hear the nice voice? And that's the one that you can listen your own voice while you are using the microphone. Here is the Amazon cutout, and I will paste the link in the description so you guys can purchase. It's roughly 40 quid. Next is going to be the review of this product with my iPad, iPhone, my daily driver OnePlus 8 Pro, MacBook Pro, that's Apple product, and a Windows laptop. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.